And we're back again. It's Jennifer and Tamia, and we're from the Boys and Girls Club of Phillips County. In today's science experiment, we will be doing a self-inflating balloon. You'll need these ingredients: baking soda, vinegar, empty bottle, balloon, and foam. First, you'll add 3 tablespoons of vinegar into your empty bottle. Next, you'll put 1 teaspoon of baking soda into your balloon. Next, you will put the balloon over the opening of the bottle, but do not put the baking soda in. Next, you will put the baking soda into the empty bottle. And it inflates. How does this happen? When the vinegar and baking soda mix together, carbon dioxide gas is produced, and this gas causes the balloon to inflate. Thanks for tuning in to our science experiment today.